Hello, welcome back to Webiclass, and it's so refreshing to see you again. Today's lesson is based on the hyphenated word take away. So, to me, it's a sort of reinforcement lesson because take away is something you have heard over and over again, you've read over and over again. Now, you know what takeaway is in our lessons. So the objective of today's lesson is this. By the end of this session, you should be able to fully state and justify why you think I have chosen the term takeaway for using our Webiclass lessons. I hinted it the other day, very soon there's going to be a lesson based on takeaway and something else, keeping or staying afloat. Right. Now, look at this. So, in the lesson, I'm going to guide you to consider why I have chosen takeaway. These are points to help you. What is my message? Why have I chosen takeaway as an expression? When you read or you see takeaway, what do you visualize? Remember, I've always stated that visualization is very, very important in analysis. In order to be able to visualize, you need to consider where you are and where I am now as we go through the lesson. In other words, when you hear the expression takeaway, where is your mind transported to? Which scenario do you visualize? That is, where are we? What do you visualize in this classroom? And also, take away, where does it take your mind? What do you visualize? Then, having thought of these two scenarios, what are the two images that are in comparison here? What is the comparison? Remember, message, what you visualize, what two things are compared. Think of all these, you need to understand them. Effectiveness, what is the effectiveness or otherwise of my choice of takeaway to describe something else which is usually not called takeaway? I've told you always, if you come across something unusual, stop and ask yourself why. In a lesson or in a classroom, it is not takeaway we use something else which I wouldn't tell you when work is given to you in the classroom to take away and do bring back to the classroom. It's not called takeaway. So why have I chosen this? Remember, effectiveness is important. You should be able to argue out the effectiveness coherently and strongly so that anybody who hears your explanation or reads your explanation will understand and believe you because what you are saying is strong and plausible. Now, this is your takeaway for today. Read it. Right. So, here we come to the end of the lesson for today. A lot of it depends on you. Takeaway something you've read and seen and heard several times in Webiclass lessons, especially in the language lessons at this point. So do this exercise. I give you 1 week. Get it ready before next week. Thank you. As usual, I am Roger Olympio, your Webiclass teacher. Take care and bye-bye.
Subscribed. Don't lose out. Join us in Webiclass. Share, ask questions, suggest and subscribe.